Right, so this is your E final. Four-wheel drive. So fourth on the grid is Greg Stevens, followed by Niall Brennan, then Shannon, and then Paul Keane. Right, remember, drivers on the rostrum. That stick is going back, so there is a chicane, okay? That stick is going back. Is Shannon racing? No. Can you still marshal though, please, Shannon? Craig, you need to be out, please, mate. At marshal point 5. Marshal point 5 over here in front of the rostrum. There you go, the one with the number 5 written on it. You're a diamond. Right, listen up then, please, drivers. Please, can we have some volunteers at the end of this race? Because there's only 3 drivers, so I will need at least another 5 volunteers. Listen up, drivers, let's keep it clean. It is your final. Nice and tidy, please. Right, so coming over for the first count lap. So Stevens from Keane, from Niall, just getting over the loop. Well done, Niall.
Fastest lap, car 1. Change of leader to car 1. Fastest lap, car 3. One minute into the race. First place, car 1. Second place, car 4. Third place, car 3.
So Paul Keane taking the lead
place,
away.
Car 2.
Stevens second, Niall third. Right, these three are quite tight together at the moment. There's only 2.72 seconds between them. So it is a battle for this E final. Four-wheel drive as they come up onto the tabletop. 3 cars all together. There's split seconds between these two as well. Watch the tagging. Rubbing. So Niall picks it up and takes it away from Paul.
Change of leader to car 3.
So Greg keeping second, and then Paul down into third. So this ain't no easy race for either any of these 3 drivers.
First place, car 3.
Looks like Niall's lost the lead again. Oh no! Punting the race leader, car 4, up the rear end. So car 4 taking the lead. So Greg Stevens from Niall, from Paul. So Paul's got it all to do. He's at the back of the grid. Niall up on 2 wheels, making a mistake on the tabletop. But Greg over the crossover he comes. Paul Keane rolling. She didn't race. So we're halfway through. Greg Stevens, your race leader, the yellow car in front of race control on the Astro, over the crossover, crashing. So Niall takes the lead on the track from Greg. Paul Keane chasing him down. He has got a faster car, but he's just got to keep it clean.
Change of leader to car 3.
Niall taking it wide. Greg rolling all over the place. Paul. Oh.
3 minutes into the race.
Poor Greg.
First place, car 3. Second place, car 4. Third place, car 1. And in
unlucky Greg.
Place, car 2.
So Greg will get third place by the looks of things. So we're around about a minute and a half to go. Race leader, car 3 of Niall Brennan.
Four minutes into the race, first place car 3, second place car 1, third place car 4, and in fourth place car 2.
So Paul Keane. So Paul Keane at the moment. Just coming over the crossover, that's car 1. Niall Brennan making his own trek up on that last lap.
Car 1 about to be
so
lapped.
1 about to be lapped. Thank you, car 1. Last lap, gentlemen, last lap.
Three's finished. One's finished.
So it's a win for Niall, followed by Paul and then Greg.
Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders return them please, and then all the drivers out to marshal, thank you. The result for this final is first place
Niall Brennan.
Second place
Paul Keeney.
Third place
Greg Stevens.
and in fourth place.
Shannon.
Can we have volunteer marshals please on points 5, 6, 7, 8.
Take it easy.
That's volunteers on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
That's obviously not been taken out yet.